Hi, my name is Kira Hudson. I'm from Aurora, Illinois, and I'm an outside hitter. My go-to meal is probably sushi. Anytime I get a chance to, I will go get sushi. I guess just my nickname is Shaq, so like that could be pretty crazy to some people. My hidden talent is I can sound like a duck. That's inspired by Taylor Parks. Actually, I'll say I discovered these shoes before they were cool, because now everyone has them, but I was the first one on campus to wear them. So Ian is my most listened to artist. I would probably want to live in Chicago in a high-rise. I think I'd just have to play basketball just because I'm tall and there's good money in basketball. Sports can be hard mentally and physically, but it's important to just stick with it because at the end of the day, you don't want to have any regrets. So even if things get hard, just always stay with what you're working on. Go Gators!